Question number 1. When did Virat Kohli announce his retirement from T20 international cricket? Correct answer is option B, 10 June 2024. Question number 2. Against which team did Virat Kohli play his final T20 international match? Correct answer is option D, South Africa. Question number 3. Who was awarded the Emerging Player of the Season in IPL 2025? Correct answer is option C, Angresh Raghuvanshi. Question number 4. Which young IPL player impressed the most with both bat and ball for Delhi Capitals in IPL 2025? Correct answer is option C, Abhishek Porel. Question number 5. African swine fever that was recently seen in news is caused by which agent? Correct answer is option C, virus. Question number 6. Which village in Jharkhand has become the first to be completely relocated from the core area of the Palamu Tiger Reserve? Correct answer is option B, Jaigir. Question number 7. According to recent report, which country has the largest active military force globally in 2025? Correct answer is option A, China. Question number 8. As per International Monetary Fund's IMF report, which country has the highest debt to GDP ratio in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Question number 9. Solar Energy Corporation of India is under the administrative control of which ministry? Correct answer is option D, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Question number 10. Which institute has developed a 3D computational model to study thermoregulation in space? Correct answer is option C, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. Question number 11. What state is Rajaji Tiger Reserve recently seen in the news located in? Correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Question number 12. Which Indian government departments are involved in the crackdown on the fraudulent SMS under the Sunachar Sathi initiative recently in news? Correct answer is option B, Department of Telecommunication and Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 13. Kumaun Himalayas recently seen in the news lies between which river? Correct answer is option B, Satluj River and Kali River. Question number 14. Department of Higher Education recently signed an MOU with which organization for creating the digital library platform Rashtriya Pustakalaya? Correct answer is option B, National Book Trust. Question number 15. Pema Khandu recently became the Chief Minister of which northeastern state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 16. What is the name of the mobile app recently launched by NCRB to provide information about new criminal laws? Correct answer is option B, NCRB Shayak. Question number 17. Recently, the WHO has designated which medical institute as a WHO collaborating center for fundamental and literary research in traditional medicine? Correct answer is option A, National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage, Hyderabad. Question number 18. Recently, which state government has announced waiver of farm loans up to 2 lakh rupees to provide relief to over 1.91 lakh farmers in the state? Correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. Question number 19. Vad Havan Port recently seen in news is to be constructed in which state? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Question number 20. Recently, which state government has launched an intensified campaign to eradicate malaria from the state by 2027? Correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 21. Recently, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh inaugurated 3 days Armed Force Festival in which city? Correct answer is option C, Lucknow. Question number 22. Recently, the Ministry of Panchayati Raj is organized a 5-day residential management development program with which institution? Correct answer is option C, IIM Amritsar. Question number 23. Recently, the Uttar Pradesh government has announced the construction of Vedic 3D museum in which city? Correct answer is option C, Varanasi. Question number 24. Digital bus initiative recently seen in news is launched by which two organizations? Correct answer is option A, National Digital India Missions and NIIT Foundation. Question number 25. Commissions for Scientific and Technical Terminology recently seen in the news is functioning under which ministry? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Education. Question number 26. Which state recently sanctioned Rs 500 crore for the rejuvenations of 5,000 minor irrigation tanks? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Question number 27. Siddha medicine recently seen in news originated from which part of India? Correct answer is option A, South region. Question number 28. Fast Track Immigration Trusted Travelers Program recently expanded to 20 more airports in India is an initiative of which country? Correct answer is option D, Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 29. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways recently inaugurated Oxygen Bird Park, Amrit Mohtasib Park in which city of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Nagapur. Question number 30. What is the name of the initiative recently launched by Himachal Pradesh to tackle drug trafficking? Correct answer is option A, Nave Jivan.